Hello out there, welcome to this video on how to use roundup function where we'll be rounding up numbers to two decimal places nearest whole numbers. So we start with the two decimal places, select this cell, we type equal to round up. You see round up here, double click, and the number to be rounded is this. You click on it, which is C6, place comma, and to two decimal places, the num digit is 2. So we tap 2, close the bracket, and hit enter. We have it as two decimal places, replicate to other cells. And to the nearest whole number, we can copy the same formula, then go to where we want it to be nearest whole number, go to formula bar, paste it, change this 2 to 0 since nearest whole number has num digit to be 0. Hit the enter, we have it as nearest whole number, replicate the formula, we are done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.